All right, another vocabulary assignment. Notice how it is number 4. That's because we did 1, 2, and 3 in the last unit. So we're on number 4. We'll just keep going. So what you're focusing on is thinking, I can figure out what words mean and use them in a sentence. It's really your, what's it called? Your I can statement, what you're trying to be able to do. Okay. I'm totally blanking on use them in a sentence. Now, using them in a sentence is an important part, and when you're using them in that sentence, make sure to capitalize the first letter and include punctuation. I'm not always too picky. In the chats, on some assignments, it doesn't always matter, but for this, I really do want you to focus on writing a good sentence, which includes capitalization and punctuation. Okay? It's fairly similar to the ones from last unit. The only difference is there's less words, so I made them all must-dos. All right? They're also perhaps a little simpler because they're not quite as science-y as the last ones were. Here's the link to the story if you need it. Otherwise, it's also here to be able to look them up and find them in context, because say the word heave has a couple of different meanings, so you want to make sure you're finding the correct meaning for this sentence. Same with the word patch. So really think about that. For the definition part, remember you can use a dictionary to figure it out. You can use context clues from the sentences around it, or you can use word parts if you happen to recognize a part of the word and connect it to that. Then for your sentence, make sure you use this word in the sentence. Occasionally, a few of you will just use part of your definition, but not actually this word. So make sure your sentence has that word in it. Like I said, capitalization, punctuation, so probably like a period at the end, capital letter. Anytime you use the word I to refer to yourself, it should be capital. But maybe you start with my brother, whatever it might be, start with a capital letter and with a period. Also, make sure you are writing your own sentence for this. Don't just copy it from Google. Come up with your own. You can use Google to help you, absolutely, but then do write your own sentence for each of the words. All right. I think that is all I needed to tell you. So just do your best and really try to start incorporating these words into your vocabulary, both in your writing and in your speaking. Good luck.